Some of you may be wondering why I've already made 3 videos. That was because it's near the holidays. You can see my Christmas tree right there and my mistletoe right here. Anyway, so I've been taking it. People in my class, people I know, my family. Most people chose 1, a bird, which you might have saw. 2, a crane, which you might have saw. And the 3rd one was the fortune teller. Now, here's how I'm going to show you how to make it. So start with a square piece of paper. And in this video, I'm going to make lines just to make it a little bit easier. It's not that tricky. There's other videos, like maybe the bird or crane. Yeah, the bird and crane are probably trickier. But it's kind of hard if you don't see where the creases are. So I'm just going to show you on this video. So when you get to it, you should have a line going from here to here. I've already started this, but that was because I had to do this. So when you get your paper, you fold it in half like that. And then if you're better at going like that than going like that, then I would recommend turning the paper and then folding it like that. Make sure to choose it right. So when you have it like that, I'm going to use a Sharpie. Don't mark this with a pencil. This is just to show you. On your paper, you'll probably see the creases, but this is just to show you guys. So, I may have not drawn the lines perfectly, but it's basically where the creases are. So when you get that, the creases should one go like this, and one go like this, and one go like that. So, and there's also this crease right here. Don't worry about that. So once you get it, you take this edge and you fold it. This edge should go to the circle. Here, I'll make a little star right here. Okay. This edge should go to the star right where this line is. So, if that's what you want to do, just fold that down, and it should be on the creases. Now, mine, if you look at it like this is not on very well. Well, the crease is right here. The crease is right here, but I just didn't draw it properly. And you want to do that with the other 3. So this here to them. And once you got that done, fold this one over here. And last but not least, fold this one over here. So now you should have something that looks like this, without the blue Sharpies. So now, what you want to do is flip it over, so it should look like this. Put it on the ground. I'll make the lines again. What? Oh, don't worry about it. Okay, worry about this line and this line. Those are the important lines. I accidentally drew this line, which was the diagonal line in the beginning, which I shouldn't have. So what you want to do is take this. There should be a crease right here. That you can just draw, really, or you don't have to do it at all. It's really just, there's two ways you can do this. One, you can go back to the beginning and make the diagonal lines if you want to see the creases and make it on both sides. Or two, the much easier way is when you fold it in half and fold it in half again. And then there should be creases. So the line like that, you fold like that, grab this like that, grab that like that. So this, we're nearly complete the first fortune teller. You should have something that looks like this. And there's lines that go right here. Well, what you want to do is, it will be easier this way. I already have a line right here. But you write a fortune like, for example, you could write, this will appear backwards, but okay, you could write win $1 million. It's backwards, I know. But, and then you write fortunes on each of these. On each one of the 8 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so once you write those, like, I'm just gonna do an example. Okay, I just did 2 of them. So once you get it like that, fold them back like this, so they're like this again. Oh, and when you're writing the fortunes, it would be a good time to pause it and write your fortunes. Once you give it like this, you fold it in half. If you did it the easy way when I was trying to show you the creases, it would be fine. When you fold it in half, sometimes this is easier, folding it in half again, and you just unfold so you have it like this. Well, put 2 fingers up here, and for your other hand, well, and then push these 2 fingers together. Do the same thing with your other hand for the other one. And get these, and sometimes you just might need to pop out the flaps. So now you should have something that maybe looks like this or like that. So when you have it like this, or if you got it like that, just push it together. Here's how you use it. You open it. If you use one hand is to pull it apart. You push your thumbs away or whatever you're using as it. And then going up and down. Just, you can see what I'm doing basically. And then, here's how you do it. And then here's the rest of it. You open up this. You open up this. On the front, when you have it like that. Sorry, I have to hold it one-handed. You just write 1, 2, 3, and 4, or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it has 1, 2, 3, and 4, is it sloppy? You open it up, or you can just get it like this, or you can, when you have it like when you have it in the fortune teller form, you can just unfold it, and you get it like that. And then you just write colors, doesn't really matter. So, blue, green, indigo, go violet, purple, black. So you get the point. It just has a bunch of things written on it. And then, here's how you work it. Once you write the fortunes on the inside, you're done. You just put it back in, like, you hold it again, how I taught you. You might have to go back to the video if you forget how to hold it. And you say, pick one, and say to pick 2. it doesn't really matter which side you open. If you go like that or if you go like that, doesn't really matter. Oh, and you see this? I was just showing you an example. So I really didn't finish. I really didn't finish it. I was just showing you an example. So if they picked one, you could go like this, or you could go like this. It really doesn't matter. So whatever they pick. Say they pick one, you go like that. Say they pick two. Say they pick three. Wait, you gotta start like this. And so eventually you'll get it to, in this position, blue, green, purple, or black, or whatever colors you put on there. They gotta pick one. And say they pick green. You go G-R-E-E-N. And then they pick whatever's on here. And then you lift up that flap, and there's a fortune on the inside. That's how you make a fortune teller and use it.